Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an invoice. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Client Experience, then go to CRM and Client Billing, then go to Invoices. If it's your first time, you're going to see this on your screen. Click Get Started. First, you're going to have to confirm your business info. If you haven't set it up yet, then go ahead and set it up now by adding your business name, your business email address, and your logo. Once you're done, click on Add and Continue. Here, confirm your issue date as well as the due date. Moving on this drop-down, select the customer you're creating this invoice for. If it's a new customer, click New Customer here and input that customer's details. Don't forget to double-check your new contacts info to avoid any mistakes. And once you're done, click Save, and they should be added successfully. Now, give your invoice a title by inputting it here. Now, let's move on to the products or services section. This is where you select a billable item or input the item you'd like to charge your contact for. If you like, you can also write a short description over here about your product or service. Once you're done, indicate the quantity and the price. Also, if you'd like to set up your taxes, click the Add Tax button and you can create a new tax right here. By the way, tax laws differ from one country to another, as well as it also depends on the state you're in. So it's best to seek advice from a professional or from an accountant. Anyway, you can add more billable items if you need to by clicking line item over here. And if you'd like to remove a line item, just hit delete. The subtotal and the balance total will be shown over here. And if you'd like to include additional notes and indicate your terms, go ahead and do so by inputting them on these specific fields. Once you're done working on your invoice, go back to the very top and make sure to review everything to avoid any mistakes. Once everything's all good, you can then decide what you want to do next. You can save and close it, so it could be saved as a draft. You can collect payment, or you can send the invoice. And if you send it, a pop-up will appear. Click Send Email over here in order to send this email via invoice to your contact. Once it's sent successfully, it will show over here. And that's it for today. That's how you create an invoice on the Wix Studio workspace. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.